beautiful people? Welcome back to the channel, or welcome if it's your first time. I'm Cam, a travel adventure photographer. If you don't know me, if you do, hi. I am here in the amazing Yellowstone National Park. I'm gonna be spending the next couple days exploring all the best viewpoints and trails to do here in Yellowstone. Unfortunately, I only have a limited time here, so we're gonna be hitting all the must-see spots. If you're just passing through for a few days, then this video is for you. And we begin our adventure at Old Faithful, one of the biggest geysers in the park. We are working our way from south to west to north to east. Basically, we're coming from the Grand Tetons. So if you're working the Tetons into your trip too, then you will likely be doing the same. Anyways, let's go check out Old Faithful. Wow, wasn't that something? Old Faithful, very cool area. The geyser was pretty dope, and there's a lot of other little springs and geysers. You can walk around this pretty big loop. There's a lodge there with food. Overall, a pretty cool area. We only spent a couple hours there, and now we are at the Grand Prismatic Trail, making our way to see the legendary Grand Prismatic Spring, which is all different colors and things like that. And then we're gonna make our way past the Grand Prismatic Spring, and if you continue on the trail, you go to Fairy Falls, which I have no idea what it looks like, but it's a waterfall. Sounds enticing, so let's go. Wow, another couple of beautiful views here in Yellowstone. To go all the way to Fairy Falls, it's a bit of a trek, 2.5 miles total, just 1 mile to Grand Prismatic. Now we are heading back to the car, and we're gonna go chase some sunset views of the Grand Canyon of the Yellowstone. I'll catch you guys in a second. Okay, quick pit stop on the way to the Grand Canyon of Yellowstone. We are hitting up Gibbon Falls, it's on the way. We just pulled off the road, and now we're just walking down this little trail to get some views. Check it out. Okay, we've made it to Artist Point. We are making our way down to see the Grand Canyon of Yellowstone, and I'm very excited. So why don't you get excited with me and check this out. And good morning. How beautiful was that? That was actually insane. The conditions, the sunset was supreme. I don't think I've ever seen a waterfall in a canyon like that. But anyways, today is our last full day in Yellowstone. Yeah, I know, it's a short trip, but we managed to see most of everything we wanted to see. And now we're gonna go looking for some wildlife. Today we're heading up north and then to the east side of the park. We're going to Mammoth Springs, and then we're gonna make our way over to Lamar Valley, which is known as America's Serengeti, and hopefully get to see some cool wildlife. So without further ado, let's hit the road. And that, ladies and gentlemen, was Mammoth Springs. Very cool area, and there's a little town there, so you can get food, gas, snacks, whatever you need. And now we are heading over to Lamar Valley, and on the way we are stopping at Blacktail Plateau Drive. Some locals told us it's a really cool drive. It's off-road, one way for about 6 miles. It's a good road to spot some wildlife. Maybe we'll see a bear or something. I really don't know, because we haven't driven it yet. Well, unfortunately, we drove down that road and didn't see a single animal. So figured I wouldn't waste your time with just videos of the forest. But I think it's still worth driving down because it's on the way to Lamar Valley anyway, and a lot of people have seen lots of different animals driving through there. But now we're at Lamar Valley and we're instantly greeted by massive herds of buffalo. So we're gonna hang out here until sunset and just take it all in. So come on and enjoy the views with me. Ladies and gentlemen, that is Lamar Valley in all its beauty, and we're just enjoying the final bits of the sunset. And that will do it for this video. 2 days in Yellowstone, everything you need to see. There's obviously so much more, but if you're limited on time or you just want to know the absolute best things to see, from my own research, I think we got it all done. If you guys enjoyed the video, if you want to see more content from me, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Anyways, always remember to be safe and adventure on. Love you guys. Peace.